Employee attendance sheet is maintained in every organization or workplace to track the attendance of employees or workers. Every organization has different formats of attendance sheet. I have already created 2 videos of attendance sheet with different formats. Today we will see how we can track attendance of full-timers as well as part-timers just in a single sheet. In this video we will also see how daily and monthly salary can be calculated. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the attendance sheet which I have already created in advance. In this sheet we are going to track attendance of full-timers as well as part-timers. Few things will be managed through drop-downs like month, year. Dates and days will be fully automated. Whenever we will change the month, all the days will be automatically changed. You will notice that after 28th it got blank, and when we will be coming to January it will be showing till 31st. So all the things are interconnected with month as well as year. On the right hand side, we will be calculating total present, total absent, total week offs, paid leaves, unpaid leaves, total half days, holidays, paid days, total part-time hours, basic salary, TA, DA, PF, salary of 1 day and total salary to be paid. On the top, we will be calculating salary of full-timers, and below that, we will be calculating salary of part-timers. Salary of part-timers will be paid on hourly basis. We will be using P for present, A for absent, WO for week off, PL for paid leave, UL for unpaid leave, HD for half days and H for holidays. Let's start creating a new sheet. We will open a new workbook. We will come over here and we will type month and year. Over here we will type start and end date. We will merge this and we will merge this also. For month, we will create drop down. We will click over here. We will go in data, data validation, and from here we will select list. And over here we will type name of the months. Now we will do OK, and our drop down got created over here. Over here we will create drop down for years. We will go in data, data validation. We will select list and we will provide source over here. We will type years over here. And we will do OK. So drop down for years got created. Start and end date. Formula for start date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma, 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select month and we will select the year. We will close the bracket and we will do enter. We will right click the mouse, we will go in format cells, then we will select the date over here and we will select day and month. OK. The formula for end date will be plus or equal to EOMONTH. EO month means end of the month, bracket open. We will select the first date, comma 0 and we will close the bracket and we will do enter. We will right click the mouse, format cells, date and we will select day and month. OK. Now whenever the months will be changed, first day and last day will also be changed. 1st Feb, 28th Feb, 1st Jan and 31st Jan. Over here we will type serial number, name, designation, employee code. Now we will insert date over here, plus or equal to, and we will select the first date. We will do enter. We are not going to drag this. We will be inserting a formula and the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open first date is smaller than the last date. We will insert a dollar over here. We will press function F4 and dollar will be inserted. Comma, we will select first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma, we will give 2 times and we will close the bracket. We have inserted double inverted comma over here because we don't want anything to be visible in the month of February after 28th. Now we will do enter. We will right click the mouse. We will go in format cells. We will go in custom and over here we will remove general and we will type DD and we will do OK. For first also we will do the same, right click the mouse, format cells, custom, we will delete this and we will put DD and we will do OK. Now we will drag this till 31st. We will select this and we will double click the mouse. We will select this all and we will merge it. We will go in home and we will merge it. We will type attendance sheet over here. We will select the whole sheet. We will take all the things in center and in middle. We will put some color over here. I'll increase the font size. I'll select the whole sheet once again and I'll change the font. I'll make it bold. Now we will select this and we will insert the table. Now we will insert formula for days, and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open, we will select the first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will do enter. Now we will drag this till end. We will go in home, and from here we will change it. We will rotate text down. Now we will merge this. I'll insert some color over here. I'll insert some color over here also. I'll make it bold. We will go in view and we will remove the grid lines. Now we will merge this and we will type total present. We will go in home and we will make it rotate text down. We will drag this till here and we will delete these all. Over here we will type total absent, total week offs, paid leaves, unpaid leaves, total half days, holidays, paid days, total part-time hours, basic salary. We will select this and we will double click over here. Over here we will type TA, DA and PF. We will merge it. Now we will insert percentage for TA, DA and PF. We will select this and we will click on percentage sign. We will insert percentage, 10%, 8% and 6%. We will merge it. Now we will create table for this. We will select this and we will double click it. Over here we will select this all and we will merge it and we will type salary for 1 day. And over here total salary. We will create table for this. We will select this and we will double click it. Now we will select this till end and we will create the table. We will insert some different color over here. And over here also we will insert some different color. Now we will insert serial number. We will insert name, designation and employee code. We will take it from our example sheet. First we will take for full-timers. Then we will take for part-timers. Now we will highlight our Saturdays and Sundays. We will select this. We will go in home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type Saturday. We will select red color and we will do OK. So our Saturdays got highlighted. Now we will go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and we will type Sunday over here. We will do OK and our Sundays also got highlighted. Now we will change the month. We will select February and after 28th it's blank. So we want the blanks to be highlighted as well as restricted. Now we will highlight the blank cells after 28th. We will select this. We will go in home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic and from drop down we will select use of formula to determine which cells to format. And we will put our formula. The formula will be plus or equal to, we will select the first day, we will remove the first dollar, is equal to, and we will insert double inverted comma twice. And double inverted comma 2 times is for blank. So we will do OK. So all the cells after 28th got highlighted. Now we will restrict it. We will come over here just under the first day. We will go in data, data validation. From here we will be going to custom and we will insert our formula. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we will select the first day. We will insert dollar after F. Smaller than, greater than, double inverted comma we will put twice and we will do OK. Now we will drag this till end and till down. Now we will insert something over here and we are not able to insert anything. We are getting an alert. So we will cancel it. We will change the month, January, and we will try to insert something over here. We are able to insert P over here very nicely. We will delete this. Now we will insert all the formulas over here. Total present, plus or equal to, count if, bracket open. We will select this from first till last day of the month, comma, double inverted comma, P, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will do enter. For absent also we will have to do the same thing, plus or equal to, count if, bracket open. We will select from first to last date, comma, double inverted comma, A, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will do enter. For week offs, paid leaves, unpaid leaves, total half days, we will be doing the same thing. So the formulas got inserted over here. We will drag this till down. Now we will insert formula for paid days, and the formula will be plus or equal to total present plus total week offs plus paid leaves plus total holidays plus total half days, and we will divide half days by 2 and we will do enter. Total part-time hours, we will leave it blank. Basic salary, we will take from our example sheet. We will double click over here. TA, DA and PF. We will calculate formula for this, and the formula will be plus or equal to basic salary into percentage divided by count A bracket open, and we will select from here till end. We will insert dollar over here, function F4. We will insert dollar over here also, function F4 bracket close into total paid days, and we will do enter. For DA and PF, we will insert the same formula, plus or equal to basic salary into percentage. We will insert dollar over here, function F4 divided by count A bracket open. We will select this and we will insert dollar over here, function F4 bracket close into paid days, and we will do enter. PF plus or equal to basic salary into percentage. We will insert dollar, function F4 divided by count A bracket open. We will select from 1st till 31st. We will insert dollar, function F4. We will close the bracket into paid days, and we will do enter. So formula for TA, DA and PF is inserted now. We will drag this till end. Salary for 1 day, and the formula will be plus or equal to basic salary divided by 30. 30 is for number of days in a month, and we will do enter. We will drag this till end. Total salary. The formula for total salary will be plus or equal to total paid days into salary of 1 day plus TA plus DA minus PF, and we will do enter. We will drag this till end. We will drag this also. This is only for full timers, so I'll leave it over here. Total part-time hours, I'll make it dark because we don't have to insert anything over here for full timers. Now we will come in the beginning. I'll select this. We will delete all and we will merge it. And over here we will type part-timers. We will put a color over here. For part-timers, there are no half days or holidays, so we will delete this and we will make it dark. We will calculate total part-time hours, and the formula will be plus or equal to SUM bracket open. We will select from here till last day of the month, and we will close the bracket and we will do enter. We will drag this till end. Basic salary for part-timers is 40 rupees per hour, so I'll put 40 and I'll drag this till end. I'll highlight it. I'll change the font color. I'll make it bold. I'll right click the mouse and I'll be going to format cells. Custom, I'll remove general from here. I'll type rupees space hashtag and I'll put rupees in double inverted comma. Okay, so RS or rupees got inserted before 40. There is no TA, DA or PF for part-timers, so I'll be deleting this. Total salary of part-timers, I'll delete this, and the formula will be plus or equal to salary of 1 hour into total part-time hours, and I'll do enter. I'll drag this till end. I'll make it dark. We will come in the beginning and we will delete this. So our salary sheet is ready over here. We will put some values and we will see how it's getting calculated. So total present is getting calculated over here. We will put week off. So week offs are also getting calculated over here. HD for half days, it's getting calculated over here. Total half days, holidays, it's getting calculated over here. We will put part-time hours, and total part-time hours are getting calculated over here very properly. We will remove decimal from here. So our sheet is ready now. In case you want to highlight present, absent, week offs, paid leaves, unpaid leaves, it can be done through conditional formatting. One more thing to add, in case you will be changing the month, the data will not be erased automatically. So you will have to delete the data first and then you will have to change the month. This is not a software, this is an Excel sheet, so all the data will not be erased automatically. You will have to do it manually every month. Or 12 sheets can be created in the very beginning of the year and can be used every month. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.